Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am here for reviewing WhatsApp business. Nowadays WhatsApp is very relevant to us. In every sphere of life, WhatsApp is endorsement with us. So what is WhatsApp business? Usually people use WhatsApp business for business purpose. Like a company use WhatsApp business, a website use WhatsApp business, restaurant use WhatsApp business, and a shop use WhatsApp business. We're showing how to use WhatsApp business. See this Sendra's Cake business account. This account for this person business. For only business related message you can send here. Like if you wanna order a cake with this person, you can message there and you can ask their location and prices, variety, etc. So in total, this is WhatsApp business. There is a good about this app. Simple tool for businesses to talk to their customers. And WhatsApp business has 4.4 rating. Every day I get an error saying the backup could not be completed. This is WhatsApp usual business. I love this app so much, very efficient for this. So overall, for a businessman, WhatsApp business is good. You can try it and say me how your experience for WhatsApp business. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.